Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another tutorial of introduction to ChatGPT series, and in this video we will start a brand new chat with this chatbot, and we will ask about a topic and then we will ask it to expand that topic, and then we will ask him to summarize that topic. So first of all, as you know that how we can open this web page, just simply open your browser and type here chat.openai.com, and here now I will type here tell me something about electric cars. So now you can see that it is generating a response about electric cars, but it will give me an overview about electric cars. So you can see that we can also scroll up while it is generating the response if we want to read. So now it is telling me that battery technology, zero emission range, charging infrastructure, and this type of stuff, performance, vehicle types, cost of ownership, and market growth. So here it has told me something about electric cars. Now for example, while reading this article, I want to know something more and in detail about a specific topic. For example, if I want to search about battery technology, so what I will do, I will copy this keyword from here and I will type here tell me in detail about battery technology in electric vehicles. Press enter, and now you can see that it is telling me in detail about battery technology, that energy density and charging technologies, thermal management. Obviously I'm a student of computer science and this information is not relevant to me, but still you can see that it is telling me us in detail, and you can read all that stuff from here. For example, you don't have time to read this whole article and you just want to understand that what ChatGPT is actually saying. So basically you can write another prompt like summarize this into 3 bullets points. Ignore the spelling mistake of summarize. Let me press enter, and now you can see that it has converted that 10 points and it has summarized them into 3 different points like lithium ion chemistry and charging advancements and safety and innovations. So basically expanding a specific topic and summarizing a specific topic is one of the key feature of these large language models like ChatGPT. So friends, obviously this was our first lecture, that how we can start chat with ChatGPT, and you can ask about different topics. If you are a student, you can ask about your specific books. You can also ask him to give summary of specific books, and for example, if you are a student of computer science, you can get knowledge about different concepts from by using ChatGPT. If you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section and hit the like button if video was helpful. If you have any suggestions that how we can improve our content, please feel free to let us know in the comment section. We will try to improve our content. And finally, thanks for watching.